In this video, I will be talking about how to target rich class or higher end class or upper portion class on Facebook ads. In case if you are trying to run a Facebook campaign for a higher class or for a rich class or from a cream class, and you do not know how you can do it, then in this video I will be going and explain you in step by step on how you can target rich class, upper class, or cream class of a specific of your niche, and how you can do it. So you have to stay with me in this video because I'm going to go in step by step. Okay, first thing first is you need to understand which cities you are going to target, and then we are going to exactly determine how you can target the post class of a specific area. Okay, so let's say in this I will be explaining about two locations. Let's say one is Lahore, Pakistan, and one is London, United Kingdom. Okay, now we have picked two cities, and we have to run a campaign over here, and then we have to prioritize on how we can target the rich class. Okay, for instance, let's say if I'm targeting Lahore, Pakistan, what I'm going to do is I'm going to understand which areas in Lahore are posh areas and which areas are the poor areas in Lahore. So I have just researched posh areas of Lahore. Okay, a basic guide have told me like Behria Town, DHA, Parkview, Mall Town, Kingston, Gulbarg, Johor Town are the posh areas of Lahore. But a better way is to understand through just go to Quora and look out on what people are saying. Okay, in case if you have to target a city, like in case if I'm targeting Pakistan, I just have to search rich cities of Pakistan, and I get a glimpse of which cities in Pakistan are really good, or rich cities of United Kingdom. If I write on, I get a clue of what are the rich cities in UK, and I can target my campaign based on it. But in case I have to find, let's say I create a campaign with 9 cities of UK, but then I have to summarize on each area. I do not want to target, because in every city there are higher class and a lower class, and because I have to target the higher class, so what I'm gonna do is that is the easy hack to do it. Like posh areas of London. Just have to write this, and then you can see that some of the expensive areas are Mayfair, Kingston, Belgravia, Chelsea, or I can see just the top 6 over here or top 5 over here. And based on opinion of majority people, what I can do is I can create a new audience and select my cities with select the locations with the preferred areas which and then have to just select the audience. Okay, what I'm trying to explain over here is that a simple Google search can tell you that how you can target expensive or posh class. Now the thing is, when you're doing a targeting, I do not recommend targeting more than 3 or 5 uh, miles radius, because the larger the radius is, there are higher chances that you are not able to get the right audience. So that is a very small hack. You can see 10 most expensive areas in London, and I get a glimpse like these are the main areas in London which I have to target in case if I want to get the higher class or rich class to for my ad if I'm targeting in London. The same I can do with any city to figure out which areas can generate me good sales. I hope you like the hack, and I hope you like it interesting. Thank you.